As we were thinking of our next volume for our workbook series, we knew we wanted to do something a bit different. We have painted trees, birds, flowers, landscapes, and so much more. But what about the small moments in our everyday life that we are quick to forget? As parents, we spend so much of our time with our kids, assuming that the funny way they pronounce something or hidden treasures found in their pockets will be ingrained in our memory forever. But I have learned that memories fade quickly unless we take the time to document them. So in this new workbook, we are celebrating the small moments of parenthood, like the way we can only find mismatched socks when we are running late, or candies hidden underneath their pillow, the way the milk glistens as it spreads quickly across the dinner table, or the half-eaten sucker found underneath their bed. And may we never forget when we come across a stain and wonder, is this chocolate or poop? Small Moments will be available for pre-order in May. Use code AprilFools at checkout for 100% off. And may we never forget these treasured memories.